Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with a darling haul from Bowtique Charms. Bowtique Charms is a gal that is so sweet, and she served on the PR team with DEK. I think, is she still on or is she not? I can't remember. Um, I'm thinking she moved on. We you do a cycle, you do a session, and then a few of us get asked, and we get to join the design team, and that's an incredible blessing. But anyway, she just has a really wonderful shop. And I had been looking at her stuff and looking at her stuff, and I'd ordered a little bit before, but I adore what she does. So anyway, so I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you etsy.com/shop/boutique, and you can see how to spell it, BOWTIQUE charms. And yeah, so there's that. And she's got other goodies. Oh, I love this. Is so pretty. Oh, it's just an envelope to add in. And that is so sweet. I love that. A homemade envelope. I love it. I will use that in one of my, actually with those colors, I may put that in my parents'. That's so pretty. Thank you. All right. So now I took it out of the big envelope and just broke it down to make it easier so it wouldn't rattle. I absolutely love this. The rose gold is so beautiful, and I love the heart. Oh, and with all the journals I'm going to be making between now and December, this is so beautiful. Oh, I love this winter one. Isn't that oh my goodness. Look how many charms are in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, that is amazing. I absolutely love this. This is so gorgeous. Thank you. And I'm just really humbled. It's such a blessing. You get to meet amazing people along the way and see their incredible gifts and talents, and then, all these good things. So, all right. So, I'm going to rattle. I'm sorry. I didn't know I was going to rattle. I'm trying not to rattle. She wrapped this beautifully. I will put her information down below so you can find her. And please tell her I sent you. So, oh, I love this. So this I got because I love Minnie Mouse. I love pink and all that. And these are just loaded. Look at all those charms. And then here's a little mini. I don't know if you can see that, with a little rhinestone bow. And then my granddaughter is a ginger. Though she's getting lighter, hair colored, I thought this would be so pretty to put on a prayer journal to pray for her. And of course, you've got the Minnie Mouse balloon. I love that. Okay, now let's see what's in here. Okay, so, alrighty, let's get this unwrapped. And then, oh, this one's for my sister. So she loves sloths, and so that is a sloth. Of course, you've got the beautiful, if you can't see it, little palm frond, and then a couple of beads, and I think it's just so charming. My sister is very less is more. In some ways. In some ways, she's very glittery. In some ways, she's very less is more. But I think for her, I'm going to be giving her a planner, and I'm going to fill out a whole year's planner for her, I think, and pre-decorate it, and all she has to do is write in it. So, and then I'm going to put that on it. I thought that would be a neat birthday gift. And I know she doesn't watch my channel, so I can share that with you. She cracks me up. I don't think she watches my channel. She better not be watching. She told me she doesn't. So this is for my mom and dad. So it has purple. My parents went to TCU, so purple's a big color for us. And purple and white was the colors of both their funerals. And then my mother loved hummingbirds. And literally today I picked up hummingbird feeders and, nectar to put out because we're going to make a little sitting area. And I just wanted to attract, I've got hummingbird and butterfly and flowers in pots and anything that will draw those. And I just thought this was so pretty, and this reminds me of them. And also, if you don't know, TCU is the horn frog. So I used to do a lot of green and frogs for my dad. And so I thought it was so perfect. It was like, that was like perfect of all the things I used to do for them. So TCU, the horn frogs, you've got the green and the purple, and it's a hummingbird. I just think it's such a beautiful add to their album. And I'll be making one for my sister. She'll get this one for me, and then one for my brother. And I don't think I got him a charm because he's a guy. But maybe I'm wrong. I'll have to see. I can't remember. And remember, I don't get my orders right away because of our postal system. So, when I say it's been a while, it's not because of her. It's because of, yeah. So, nope, I didn't get one for my brother. I didn't think I did. I love my brother, but he would never enjoy it. As a matter of fact, he has little ones, and I'd be afraid they'd choke. So, and this one's for me because I love llamas and flowers, and my favorite color is pink, and I love all these colors. So that reminds me of Mom, and that reminds me of the ocean. So when I saw this for me, I thought, oh, did she make that for me? No, she didn't. But I love that I got it. So pretty. That one will be for one of my planners. And then I love hedgehogs. So llamas and hedgehogs are my thing. I just have been. I love birds too. So those three. So the hummingbird is that's why I'm getting that one. And then, sorry, somebody's coming in or out. And then I've got a little hedgie. She's got a pink bow. And I've got that darling pink bow. And look at all of that. Isn't that so sweet? I really do love this. And I think this is so much fun. And I mean, she's just chubby and cute. And it's just perfect. I just think it's perfect. So that will go on another either Bible study or planner or something like that. And then lastly, I have this gorgeous reminder. So maybe I'll put this one on my mom and dad's. I don't know. I'm also contemplating doing a journal about my parents and just the struggles before, during, and after their death. I just need to write. And so I may use this for that one. And then this one for my memory of them. Because every year at Christmas, their anniversary was very close to the Christmas season. And I would give them, for their anniversary every year, snowmen. And just decorative snowmen. All kinds, all shapes, all sizes. When my parents passed away and everybody took what they wanted, whatever was left, my husband went in there immediately and grabbed all the snowmen for me. He was like, those are yours. And I said, yeah, but in case anybody wanted one, like the grandkids or somebody, I want to take them. And he was like, you got those for your parents and you pick them out every year. And I said, I know, it's good. And there's some that were gone, but you know what? They could have, it didn't matter. I got what was meant for me to have. And so whenever I see snowmen, my mother loves snowmen. And she lived a year up in Colorado. And I think that maybe that's where she found that love for them. I don't know. She grew up in far west Texas, very dry, very red dirt. And I don't know how much, if any, snow they had out there. They probably had a little bit. But so for some reason, she was always very fascinated by snowmen. And then I grew up. She and my dad met and married at TCU. And then they lived in Austin for a while when my dad was in grad school. And then they went down to Corpus Christi. And I was basically born there and raised there. And we never built a snowman in Corpus Christi. And I think that may have been why Mom started developing a fondness for them. And so I thought that was so sweet. And I just think that these are such a perfect addition to any journal, planner, whatever you're doing. But how much fun is this? And I am going to do a planner for my sister for her birthday. And I am going to do a journal for my parents' album type thing. So I may give her the sloth for her planner. I think that might be better. And then I won't hurt my brother's feelings if he knew. So anyways, all right. Please go make sure you go check out Pamela's stuff. Please be sure to tell her I sent you, KRIS with Josephine's Design, and or Kay. She probably knows me more by Kay, but anyways, and tell her you saw it here on this channel, and that way she'll know that how much I appreciate her and how much I love, love, love her work. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And please, please, please leave a comment. It so helps us. Tell me which one was your favorite. Oh my gosh, it's so hard for me to even pick. Oh, goodness gracious. But tell me which one you like the most. Or did you like the freebies? Goodness gracious, the freebies are gorgeous. So I know, it's just crazy. So anyways, I hope you can see all that. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. We'd love to have you. We have lots of new subscribers, and we want to welcome you and say, I'm so glad you're here. I hope that you're encouraged. That's what this channel's about. And for all of our tried and true La Familia, which is what I think of this channel, it is so good that you're here. And I thank you so much for supporting us all these years. And I hope that as we kind of get back on our feet here, that I can bring you better content and more fun things. So, all right, friends, go out. Let's make it a great day. Let's focus on the blessings, okay? And I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Okay, guys, be safe. Love y'all. Be talking to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.